On fixed assets list, you can check maintenance entries using navigate and maintenance ledger entries. This one shows you all the maintenance entries connected with our fixed asset. You can also use statistics, and here in maintenance you will have all the values connected with maintenance. If you want to run report maintenance next service, system will show you all the fixed assets that needs to be serviced in our date. So we can see what to do with our fixed asset according to our next service date.